Èyí ni àlàyé tí ọ̀kan nínú àwọn ọmọ olóògbé sọ nípa ìjà tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin bàbá àti ìyá rẹ̀ nílùú Èkìtì kó tó di pé àwọn méjì ọjọ́ lọ ní pé ẹ dákun yín fẹ́ rọ àwọn òbí ká lẹ́mìí dáríjì ká sì wọ́n máa ní àdéhọ́kàn táwọn bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn ìjà bá ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwa àti ìyàwó wa. Oníbìkan tí ọmọdékùnrin ti ń sọ wípé àǹtí òun jẹ́ onígbónára léyìí tó jẹ́ wípé ó kọ́ láti ara àwọn òbí rẹ̀ nígbà tó bá ń wọ́ọ̀dì mọ́ níṣojú wọn léyìí tí ò bójúmu rárá. Ẹ dákun àwọn ọkùnrin ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa na ìyàwó wa, àwọn obìnrin náà sì ní ká máa wọ̀dì mú pẹ̀lú ọkùnrin. Gbogbo ọjọ́kíjọ́ tọkùnrin bá ti náwó kè tó gbọ́ tó lóun fẹ́ ná ìyàwó rẹ̀, ọjọ́ náà ló ta iyì ara rẹ̀. Ọjọ́ tó bá sì jẹ́ pé ìyàwó náà gbìyànjú tó lóun fẹ́ wọ̀dì mú pẹ̀lú ọkọ rẹ̀, ọjọ́ náà ni ìyàwó náà ta iyì ara rẹ̀. Kórí kò sí bí ìfẹ́ ó ṣe máa kú díẹ̀díẹ̀ náà nù. Nísìnyí ó ṣe mí láàánú wípé àwọn òbí méjì ń sìn wọ́n ti ara ìbìkítà ara wọn sọ ọmọ di ọmọ òrukàn.
Ilé ayé máa le o.
They say that she will be back. She started say that I should tell him the truth though, that because before he died, that he will tell me his story. And I said, okay.
Your father told you that?
Yes, he told me that yesterday.
That,
before he died, he will tell me what happened. And I was there. When my mommy just come, I tell him he will be afraid. I will tell him my mommy is coming home. When my mom just come yesterday, she's not saying that him and my mom they are playing. I don't know. They are not fighting yesterday. They are playing. So yesterday evening, my mom now cook finish. She now go and meet his grandma because her grandma body is not well. So the guy meet his grandma. Now later come back home by 9 something. When he now come and we are here, my dad did not eat because he did not see my mom. So when my mom now come, we eat. You guys not eat yesterday. Because I'm wondering why if they are fighting, why my mom lived home since that time. So, and I know it. When they now reach the house, we are playing. I don't know if they are fighting and they are playing. We are talking to them. They are telling us story. They are saying that they are just saying funny story. When we are now he now got take his Bible and started praying. So when
your father?
Yes.
Your father?
My father and my mother. So my father not pray finish. When we not pray finish, and I asked my mom that let's go to our room to go. And then I said, I should go to my room. When I sleep. When in this because I used to fast and go to school. When I'm just hearing sound. And I fast and wake up and waking my sister. I'm hearing the sound of cocklers that if my daddy and my mom is fighting. My sister just run out and my sister is very hot. It's a bad girl, just like every boy. When he just come inside, he carry on the stool, he lock it on the door. They have already locked the door. They are just fighting. My dad is just shouting inside. My mom too is shouting. So we now fast and go to this house and carry and tell all those boys and they come. So we are now, so all those boys now push the door. Yes, and they carry cutlass and remove the door. When they now open, we saw my daddy and my mom died and they are gone. Then I rush my mommy to the hospital. I don't know. I know my mommy is coming back. She's coming back to me.
Sorry.
Yeah.